Hello, my dears. Very good morning and welcome back. So, today we are going to start chapter number 7. Okay, and we will revision on the lesson. Okay, I had sent you a syllabus for half yearly exam. Okay, so I hope you had seen the syllabus. Okay, so let's start a revision. So, we are going to start our revision. Chapter number 1 to 6 I had already explained to you in my previous online offline classes. So we are going to start chapter number 7, report of an adjourned case. Means the case is still running, okay, for long time, okay, and the case is still unsolved. So we are talking about an unsolved case, okay, still running. So the lesson tells to us, okay, there is a dispute. This lesson, the poem arose a dispute between nose and eyes. And what was the subject of dispute? So it was the ownership, the possession of a spectacle. Okay, it was about the spectacle. Means the spectacle belonged to nose or eyes. Okay, so it is a strange. Okay, it is a strange dispute arose between nose and eyes to have possession, okay, uh, to have possession for a spectacle. Okay, means a spectacle belong to whom? Nose or eyes? So it was the fight, it was the dispute in between nose and eyes about the possession of spectacle, glass. Okay, so we'll see the poem line wise explanation. Okay, so between nose and eyes, a strange contest arose. Means there was a dispute between nose and eyes, and dispute was running for a long time and is still unsolved. Okay. So today again, they pledge case. Okay, in court. So the spectacle set them unhappily wrong. Okay, so it was about the spectacle. It was about the ownership, the possession of a spectacle. Who will have possession and ownership of a spectacle? Okay, nose or eyes? We'll see. The point in dispute was all the world knows. Okay, so all the world knows about the issue of dispute on what they were fighting. Okay, to which uh, they said spectacle out to belong. Means a spectacle belonged to nose or eyes. It was the issue of dispute. Okay, so Tongue was the lawyer and argue the case. Okay, so they appointed Tongue because Tongue is skillful for his melodious voice. Okay, and Tongue produced voice. So Tongue was skillful. Okay, and perfect to uh, fight the case, perfect to argue. Okay, so with a great deal of skill. Okay, Tongue has a great deal of skill, everyone knows about that. Okay, and a big full of learning. Big means perfect. The Tongue was perfect. Okay, perfect to accomplish argument. Okay, so Tongue has a better preparation for arguing. Okay, in this case, while Chief Baron Ear said to balance the law. So who was the judge? Okay, we also understand that Ear can deal very nice. Ear could deal very nice. So Ear was the Chief Baron, means your Majesty. Okay, in this case. Okay, Ear was responsible to giving a solution. Okay, for giving result. So famed for his talent in nicely discerning. Okay, so Ears, okay, Ear was well renowned and well known, okay, to balance law. And everyone thought that, okay, uh, Ear will give proper decision in this case. Okay, and Ear will give decision prudently. Okay, in this case, in behalf of the nose. So the Tongue had to argue on behalf of both sides. Okay, nose and eyes from both sides. Tongue will argue. Okay, in court. So in behalf of nose, first he starts in behalf of nose. He just gave his view and points on behalf of nose. It will quickly appear, and your lordship. Okay, then he address your majesty. Okay, first he gave respect to Chief Baron Ear. Okay, and he just tell your lordship. He said, will undoubtedly find. Undoubtedly, there is no any doubt in it. Okay. What was? That the nose has had spectacle always in wear. Okay. There is only nose who had wear the spectacle always. Okay. Spectacle kept on nose always. Okay. Spectacle is kept on nose always. We had seen, which amount to possession time out of mind. All okay. Time out of mind means there is no any particular date or day from when nose started wearing spectacle. Okay, so no one know about the time. Okay, from when it started, from when nose wore spectacle. Okay, then then holding the spectacle up to court. So it was the side of, okay, now he was the tongue was in favor of nose. Okay, in the court, your lordship observe they are made with straddle. Okay, straddle means v shape. Your lordship, you can see and you can take your judgment if you keep some points in your mind that you see the shape of you see the shape of spectacle, how it formed uh, straddle. Okay, how straddle means v shape, how it formed in v shape. So why it is formed in v shape? Okay, so it is formed in v shape for keeping over the nose, for keeping on nose. That's why it formed in v shape. Okay, like a straddle. As wide as a bridge of the nose is in short. Okay, so it connect. Okay, it kept on nose always because of its v shape. Okay, to show straddle, designed to sit close to it just like a saddle. Okay, so why a spectacle designed in v shape? So it designed in v shape to keep on nose. Okay, like we ride on a horse. Okay, we mounted, like we mount on a horse, so we have to sit on what name? Saddle. Saddle means the thing on which we sit. Okay, on horse. So you see, if we keep saddle on horse, then we mount on horse, like that. Spectacle form in v shape. Okay, to for keeping on nose. Okay, again, would your lordship a moment suppose? Okay, now again he just tongue is giving his argument. It is a case that has happened and maybe again. Okay, so that the visage, okay, visage or continuance had not a nose. If suppose you think, okay, if you think that if there is no nose on a face, so what will happen? Okay, what will happen if there is no nose on face? Okay, so what will happen to face? Okay, if there is no nose on it. Okay, so pray who would or who could wear a spectacle then? If suppose there is no nose on face, so then who would wear spectacle if there is no nose on face? Okay, so he tell that if there is no nose on face, so what would happen then? Who would wear a spectacle then if there is no nose, okay, on face? On the whole, it appears and my argument shows. So I tell you everything in favor of nose. Okay, and you should keep in your mind my views and all the points. Okay, that I kept before you with a reasoning that court will never condemn. And I just mention everything in favor of nose. So if court give decision prudently, so the court would not condemn, okay, my argument that the spectacle plainly were made for nose. Okay, so then he argued that spectacle plainly made for nose means they made for each other. Okay, nose is made for spectacle and spectacle is made for nose, and the nose was plainly intended for them, so they both made for each other. Okay, so he argued like that in favor of nose. Then he turned his side and now he's arguing on behalf of what name? Eyes. Okay, so then shifting his side, he shift his side as a lawyer knows. Okay, means he was giving the argument he was responsible, he was appointed for giving argument on behalf of both sides, nose and eyes. So now it was a turn of eyes. So then he played it again in behalf of eyes. Okay, he played it again in behalf of eyes. But what were his argument? Few people know, but only few people know about his argument when he argue on behalf of eyes. Few people know only. Okay, means there was no response in court. Okay, in favor of eyes. For the court did not think they were equally wise, but it was not a simple decision. Okay, and it was not, it was just one sided. Okay, it was in favor of nose, especially because tongue argue about its V shape. Why the spectacle made, okay, in V shape. So it made in V shape so that it can keep on nose, and it is fitted to nose. That's why it kept in V shape. Okay, so when he argue in favor of, on behalf of eyes, so only few people could understand. Okay, and they couldn't understand well about the argument on behalf of eyes. Okay, so now the court also just gave decision, and court here Chief Baron told that okay, it is not wisely to make them equal, to watch and to keep them equal. Okay, for decision. So his lordship decreed. Okay, means then here, okay, then here gave its judgment. Okay, with a grave solemn tone. Means now he turned to be serious. Okay, here was serious. Here was serious while giving decision. Okay, like Solomon. Deceive and clear, and means it was definite and clear without one if or but. Means there is no any chance of if or but. Okay, there is no any chance of if or but. The case was one sided. Okay, that whenever the nose put his spectacle. Okay, then here gave decision that whenever jab kabhi, whenever nose put his spectacle on. Okay, when nose wear a spectacle on by daylight or candlelight. Okay, so there is no issue of timing, either day night or at the time of night or candlelight. Eyes should be shut. Okay, so then eyes should be shut. Okay, eyes would be shut when the nose wear spectacle. Okay, so it was the decision of what name, Chief Baron Eyre. Okay, and then he gave it gave its decision. Okay, and it was not in favor of anyone. Okay, so still the case is adjourned, means without solving. Okay, still it is unsolved. Okay, so it was about chapter number 7, the adjourned case. Okay, the adjourned case. We'll see next concept in next video. Thank you.